back, aliens. My name is Devin Reddy, and in this video, we'll talk about NFT, which stands for non-fungible token. Now, from last few days, you might have been seeing this word somewhere, maybe in the articles or in memes. Now, the thing is, we are living in a world of information which is getting stored, which is getting shared everywhere, right? It may be proper websites or social media. It can be Instagram, Facebook. Thanks to memes, now we are learning a lot of different words at least. Now, why this word is getting famous is because recently someone sold or someone bought a digital art for $69 million. Now the thing is, it is very subjective, okay? So I'm not saying the art was bad, but buying an art, not from the best artist in the world, he's great, the work is great, but $69 million? Now, as I mentioned before, it is subjective. It's not something which you can put a price there. But it's not that one art I'm talking about. From last few years, in fact, in 2018, there was a website where you can buy a digital cat. Okay, now I know that's weird, but you can buy a digital cat, and based on some attributes, and which they call cattributes, you can specify what attribute you want, and you can buy that cat, digital format. Okay, not a physical cat. And the best thing is you don't even have a copyright of it. Now, the cost of that cat, maybe you can buy it for $10 or $100 or $1,000 or $10,000. That's right. So the price for a cat changes because it is different. Every cat is different. Or they call it as kitty. Every kitty is different here. Based on their parameters. They have certain parameters based on which the algorithm will give you a new cat after every few minutes or few hours. And you can buy them. You can buy one cat by specifying a price. Now, what makes it interesting is it's a non-fungible token. Now, what is fungible means here? See, the thing is, when you talk about a rupee, so let's say if I give you 100 rupee note and you give me a different 100 rupee note, ultimately the value remains same, right? It is the same 100 rupees. But if we talk about the other thing, example, let's say if I give you my used car. Now the value of that car is different for you and is different for me because I have used that car, I loved it. I have a lot of memories with that car. That's not the same thing for you, right? It's a non-fungible token. And if you give me a different car, let's say I have Mercedes, I don't have it, but let's say if I have a Mercedes, I've drove it for, let's say, 2 years, and then after 2 years, you used it and you crashed it, and now you're giving me the same model, same version, everything is same, but still it's not the same car, right? Because those are non-fungible things. Example, house, cars, or even kitties, or a teddy bear, or the baseball cards. Now it can be any card, right? So from our childhood we have this thing of creating a collection, right? Example, I have an iPhone which is iPhone 6s, which I bought last 4 years back. It's not working properly, but I still love it. It's because it's a non-fungible token, right? So basically, a lot of people have this thing of creating collections. Now, the value for that collection is very subjective. Everyone have their own price. It can be into auction, where you can specify at what price you want to buy. In the same way, we saw the real life arts, right? So there is auction. In fact, it's there in a lot of movies if you're not there physically. But you have seen this in movies, right? They go for auctions for a particular painting. And depending upon the painting and depending upon the artist, the cost will change. Example, if let's say if I am MF Hussain and if I just drew a line on a paper, that might get sold for $1 million. You never know, right? Because it's the power of the artist as well. In the same way, we are doing that in the digital world. The amazing thing is, you don't own a copyright. You can't make multiple copies of it, and of course you can. Example, let's say if I have a photo now, I bought that photo for, let's say, $1 million. I can send the same photo to your mobile phone on WhatsApp. It will look same, but I bought it for $1 million. I have a copy which is with you, and you got it for free. So what makes it that worth? The thing is, this thing, NFTs, are working on blockchain. Now, whatever data you store, or whatever token you create on blockchain, it is unique. So every token will have a unique value, and everyone knows that that token belongs to you. So in future, if you think, hey, I bought this collection for let's say 10 rupees, and now one of my friends want to buy it, or someone want to buy it for someone to buy it, I can say, hey, you can buy it for 100 rupees. That's the profit I get, right? Now, why someone will buy it from me only? It's because I'm the owner. And how do we know I'm the owner? Because the data is getting stored on blockchain. Now, all these things are working on Ethereum. Now, if you know about the cryptocurrencies world, we have Bitcoin and then we have Ethereum, and Ethereum provides that platform where you can build applications on which you can sell NFTs. We have thousands of websites available, or the applications available where you can buy NFTs. In fact, you can create your own non-fungible token. Maybe you can take a paper, draw something, maybe a face or a round face, and that's it. You can sell that on as an NFT. Now, I'm not sure if you know about this, but Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, he is selling his first tweet. In fact, you can just check it, so you can check that he's selling his first tweet. Elon Musk recently created an NFT song which he want to make it as an NFT. NFT. It was a joke, but that's how thing works. You can create your own NFT and you can sell it at whatever price. In fact, you can specify a price, and if it is getting a lot of attention, there will be auction and you might get a huge amount. Now the question is it for a long time, or is it just a hype? See, there was a dot-com bubble. And people thinking there is a cryptocurrency bubble. There might be. Bitcoin, I'm not sure how long Bitcoin will survive, but the word cryptocurrency, or the technology cryptocurrency, will be there because the world is looking for a global currency, right? In the same way, people are looking for a way to create collections or collectibles. It's not a new thing, right? But having it on the internet is something new. Now, it is possible because of blockchain, because blockchain provides you ownership, right? Blockchain provides you non-corruptible data. And that's what we are looking for. Now, the way NFT is going, it might be an hype, but in future there will be some way of in fact, I read some articles, and then everyone have a different perspective here. Some people think, hey, NFTs are great, it will be future. Some people are saying it's a hype. I feel it's both. It is, the way it is going, it's a hype, but it's there for a long time. There might be some changes, the way you buy products online, the way artists will earn, and I do have a lot of respect for the artist. Maybe I can sell my courses online as NFTs. I can specify my price, and maybe I can give a specific signature with my courses, not physically, of course, and one person will have that course with signed. So that cost might go up depending upon how famous I am after a few years. Right? So that's how NFT is working now. So again, I'm not sure how famous it will be in future. Currently the trend is going, and if you make a video, what is NFT? It will get famous for sure. So that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe for further videos. Bye.